Open your present.
Yeah. Ooh.
That's it.
You rip it. Come on. Yeah, that's it. That's it. What's that? Jigsaws. Hey, there's a bunny and a chick and a lamb. Yeah.
Happy birthday, sweetie.
Happy birthday. And they're not just jigsaws, they're M&S jigsaws.
That's better.
Yeah.
What's we got?
Your card. Yeah. Oh, that's from Mummy and Daddy. Ooh. And like the teddy bear and the rocking horse. Yeah. You like your card from Mummy and Daddy? That little bit of banana you saved, yes. You can have that. Ooh, next bit. Move this out. Next. You rip. Go on. Go on. That's it. You rip. Yeah. Ooh, it's a tea set. Look. Teapot. Cup of tea. Hey, cup of tea. You have some. Yeah. We're gonna have tea parties. Oh yes. Is it tasty? Would you like some milk in your tea? There you go. Oh, stir it up. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Did Mummy not stir it enough? Or did you want sugar in your tea? Yes. The sugar bowl. Good girl. Clever girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, you like that. Should we open the next one?
Big one, huh?
That's this big one. Ooh. You tear it. You tear it. That's it. Ooh. It's a pop-up ball tent. Yeah. You know, the balls like you played with at the ATM. Woo! Yeah. You lay in the balls. Those are all from Mummy and Daddy. Now, shall we do Great Grandma next? Great Grandma and Great Granddad. Okay, there's the card from them. You're loving that tea set.
Hmm?
Oh, it says, have a happy first birthday. Hope that your first birthday is such a happy one and every special minute is packed with hugs and fun. Enjoy your special day. To Jean with much love and kisses. Thanks from great grandma and great granddad. I see what they got you. What they got now. There's teddy bears. Teddy bears on their paper. You tear it. You want to tear it? No, you two are the same with the tea set. Mummy will help. Ooh, what's in this box? Ooh, pretty. Isn't that pretty? Eh? It's got a little heart on it. Yeah. Goes your wrist. It's way big. It's way big. You're not wearing it yet. Okay. Let's save away in its pretty box. Yeah. That's lovely. Isn't that lovely? A little dangly heart on. Whose shall we open next? Shall we open Grandma and Granddad's next? Let's do that. Oh, big giant card off them. Up them. It's ginormous. Ooh, to a special granddaughter. Happy birthday, little big pink one. Oh, little dolly. To Jean, have a lovely first birthday. With love from Grandma and Granddad. That's a really pretty card. I like that card. Let me see what's in here. Yeah. You rip it. You rip it. That's a girl. Rip. Oh, look. Who's that? Who's that? Is that Jemima? Is it Jemima? Oh, and a lovely, lovely Jemima mug.
Ooh.
It says Jemima made a nest on it. Yeah. That's lovely. We'll put that in the display cabinet, I think. That's very nice. And, oh, what a pretty pink dress. That's the size you are now. Yeah, that's lovely. And, ooh, look at that. Piglet. It's got Piglet on it. And, oh, what a pretty outfit. Look, it's got a kitty and some birds in the tree. Yes. And, oh, baby's first birthday book. Look. Oh, birthday cake and party drinks and ice cream, fairy cakes and balloons and decorations.